While playing outside, something interesting happens. A ball hits the wall and bounces back. Maya wonders why it didn't just stop. Momo knows it's a perfect time to explore how computers and games make decisions. Some actions follow simple rules. If it rains, open an umbrella. If you score 10 points, show you win. These rules are called conditionals. They help decide what to do when something happens. Conditionals are like choosing paths. If one thing happens, go this way. If something else happens, go another. This is how computers and games follow instructions. In games, conditionals make characters do things. If a sprite is tapped, it jumps. If a button is pressed, it moves. If a score is high, the game goes to the next level. Conditions are everywhere, not just in games. If you flip a switch, the light turns on. It's all about actions and results. Momo explains how computers use inputs and outputs. An input is something you do, like tapping the screen. An output is what happens next, like a jump sound or a costume change. Back at home, Maya builds her own game. If a character is tapped, it jumps. If the green flag is tapped, it talks. If a message is received, another character moves forward. Our brains use conditions too. If you're hungry, you eat. If you're cold, you wear a coat. We follow simple steps every day, just like a computer does. Maya's game works. Her characters move and respond just like she planned. With conditionals, she can make games that change depending on what the player does. Conditionals use often rules. They help computers decide what to do. With ScratchJr, we can create games that listen, react, and change all through simple steps.